Today we going see about Samsung Galaxy S25. Please like this video, and to watch more like this video please subscribe our channel Techie Irfan. Samsung Galaxy S25 was announced on the 22nd of January 2025 and comes to market on February 2025. Total weight of this smartphone is 162 gram. Front and back glass are made in Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Frame of Samsung Galaxy S25 made up of armor aluminium 2. SIM slot of S25 has 2 nano SIM slot and has also support 2 eSIM a time. IP68 dust and water resistant protection that provides resistant up to 1.5 meters for 30 minimum. Galaxy S25 is provided with dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X display. It has refresh rate of 120 Hz. Maximum brightness level provided in this S25 is 2500 nits. Screen size of S25 is 6.2 inches. Is look cute. S25 runs Android 15 and comes with major Android updates. It was run on One UI 7. Processor used Galaxy S25 is Qualcomm SM8750 AB Snapdragon 8 Elite, which is 3 nanometer size, and CPU has 8 core. GPU used in S25 is Adreno. It has memory card slot. S25 comes on 3 variant: 128GB 12GB RAM, 256GB 12GB RAM, 512GB 12GB RAM. Triple rear camera available and 50 megapixel for wide, 10 megapixel for telephoto with 3x optical zoom, 12 megapixel for ultra wide and for super steady video. Rear camera can take 8K at 24 and 30 fps, 4K at 30 and 60 fps, 1080p at 30, 60,240 fps, and also stereo sound. Samsung Galaxy S25 has 12 megapixel wide selfie camera. Selfie camera can take video up to 4K at 30 and 60 fps, 1080p at 30 fps. S25 stereo speaker and has no 3.5 jack. It has also other communications such as Wi-Fi 800 2.11, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, USB Type-C 3.2 jack available with OTG support. Major sensor available in S25 are under display fingerprint sensor, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass, barometer. It can also support Samsung FX AMD Samsung Wireless DeX. Samsung Galaxy S25 has lithium-ion battery of 4000 mAh. Battery can charge 25-watt wired, PD 3.0 in 50% in 30 minutes. It also supports 15-watt wireless charging. It also has reverse charging of 4.5 watt. Galaxy S25 comes on 7 colors: icy blue, mint, navy, silver shadow, pink gold, coral red, blue black.
Please like, share, subscribe our channel for more videos.